One thing about Yaki hair, it will never disappoint. It will forever give natural hair. Literally no one can tell me different. This is a glueless wig from Nadula Hair in the texture Yaki Straight. By the looks of the lace, I already knew it was going to eat. I loved everything about this wig, the texture, and I love how it mimics my natural hair so well. Like, do y'all see that lace? That's literally giving scalp. And no, I didn't have to use any spritz or glue. I'm a middle part girly, but if you love your side parts, you can do that with this wig. And yes, you can do it on both sides. But anyways, I rate this wig a 10 out of 10.
The perfect hair for the fall. This is a V-part Yaki straight wig by Nadula Hair, and it is in the color chestnut brown ombre. This color is literally to die for. Of course, with your V-part, you get your elastic band, your drawstring, and your combs. The install process is super easy. You just clip it in, and look at that color. I had minimal leave out and I didn't want to straighten my hair too much, so 1 or 2 passes did the trick and the blend was insane. This is me showing you how seamless the V part is once you have your leave out blended. I love that I didn't need too much leave out and that the Yaki straight texture helped me to blend my hair easily without straightening it too much. I gave it a healthy little trim, some face framing layers, and this was the final look.
I'm about to wrap my shit before I go to sleep. Highly recommend you take care of your hair under the wigs. I just laughed. If you going for the natural look, this is it right here, y'all. I grew this out my head. It's something about this Yaki hair texture on us black melanin girls. I never tell y'all what to buy, but baby, you have to have this wig. Like, this is a throw on and go type of wig. Like, grocery store, run to the gas station, corner store. Like, this is the wig for under your wigs. You know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta have this. This is all me, darling. Who they talking to? For real, y'all, this wig is absolutely amazing. This is my every other day wig, okay? It's right here in the link. Go grab it.